So, Subpilot is basically a service designed to help you manage, optimize, or grow subscription-based businesses. The marketing can make it sound like an easy way to improve results, but there are a few things I'd consider before paying for it. The biggest question is whether the features actually solve a problem you have. A service can offer analytics, automation, or management tools, but if you're not actively using those features, you're just adding another monthly expense. I'd also look closely at pricing, integrations, and the learning curve. Sometimes the biggest cost isn't the subscription itself, it's the time required to set everything up and use it effectively. So, should you pay for Subpilot? It could be worthwhile if the features genuinely save you time or help you manage your business more efficiently. But I wouldn't subscribe based purely on the marketing. Overall, compare the cost against the value you'll realistically get. If you're only using a small portion of what Subpilot offers, there may be simpler or cheaper alternatives available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.